Good morning, everyone. Okay, now today we are learning light and reflection of light and its rule. Okay, so 1 minute I'll show the PPT. Okay, visible everyone. Okay, I think everyone visual that see the PPT. So what is light? So light is a form of energy which help us to see different all of the object, different kinds of the object. How we see the object? So when light falls on the object, it reflects back the light, and when the reflected light from the object reaches our eyes, then we see the particular object which object reflect the light and reflected light reaches our eyes. Then we see the object. It can understand. Now we can elaborate something. You elaborate something about that. Okay, look at there. Let's this is a object, eh, or this is a source of sun, and light travels, and this is u. This is this is the source of light. This is source of light, and this is the object. Light comes from source and reaches to the object, and when light reach the object reflect back the light, and it reaches our eyes. When light reaches our eyes, we can see the object. This method is known as the reflection of light. Okay, so now we shall go through the reflection of light by PPT. Okay, understand? So third point is light travels in straight line. So light always travel in straight line, not zigzag or any other kind of formation. Lights always travel in straight line. The common phenomena of light are formation of shadows and formation of images by mirrors and lenses, bending of light by a medium, twinkling of star, formation of rainbow, etc. We can see the hair which is given in the PPT. Okay, understand? Now we can see the reflection of light. Okay, you can see here now. देखो see angle of incident and angle of reflection. Why this is the object. When angle of light reaches to the object, it reflects back, or this is the center of normal. Okay, so now we can understand. Now we can understand reflection of light. Okay, so what is reflection of light? So when lights fall on highly polished surface like a mirror, most of the light it send back into the same medium. So lights always travel in medium, not without the medium. Medium means medium. We can say that medium which is universe. the universe like a kind of medium where light it travel. This kind of medium is known as the transparent medium. Water is also a medium. Lights also travel in water. Okay, so this process is called reflection of light. So when lights fall on highly polished surface like a mirror or any other kind of things such as polished polished wall etc, the light is sent back into the same medium. This process is called reflection of light. Okay, when reflection is happen, it has some kind of rules which is necessary if the reflection of light is happen. So angle of incident, first rule is that angle of incident is equal to the angle of reflection. This is the angle of incident and this is the angle of reflection. Okay, the incident rays and the reflecting rays and the normal to the mirror. Normal means the middle of the which a line which is perpendicular on the mirror. This is called the normal. Okay, the normal to the mirror at the point of incident are lie at the point where incident rays is lie all in the same plane. All the three are lie in the same point and same plane. Okay, now we can further elaborate it this. Okay, so here we can elaborate this something. This is polish. One side of the mirror has the polish, like a home mirror. We can see that. See the our face. This kind of mirror we have, and this is the incident ray, and this is the reflecting ray, and this is the normal point. Okay, not better, but you can understand now. This is the R. This is the I. Okay, so this angle known as the incident angle, or this angle is known as the R. R angle. Okay, so this is the incident ray. This is the incident rays comes from the force of light and it reflected back to the same medium. This is called the in this kind of situation we have to rule angle of incident I must be equal to angle of reflection R, and the incident rays and the reflecting rays and the normal of the mirror is must be on the same plane. This is that is the two rule of which must be applied in every kind of the reflection which is happening on the lights. Okay, now you can understand. Okay, okay, bye. Okay, all of